I'm Travis Scott. This is my McDonald's order. Follow me. Here's my quarter pounder with lettuce, pickles, onions, ketchup, mustard, and bacon. Here's my fries. Sometimes I do this. Then I dip them into barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, and my Sprite. Same order since back in Houston, and you can try it too. Gotta go.
Hey man, this is Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can tell, we have the final drop, or supposedly the final drop, for the Travis Scott X McDonald's collection. I'm excited to take a look at it. I did do a little sneak peek, but I didn't look too much. And the reason why I did supposedly the last drop is because I'm pretty sure he's going to do a recall. I feel like sales with this collection have probably been like off the roof. And I'm really annoyed because right now you guys are going to hit with a double upload. We have the NBA X V-Loan collab that has dropped as well. And I'm out of money. Like, I literally don't have any money to spend. So that sucks. But as a reseller, you guys should already know that opportunities will always be there. You just have to make sure that you're on the fence and you're actually looking for it. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look. I'm gonna let you guys know my favorite pieces and pieces that I would recommend to make money, because a lot of you guys have messaged me and y'all curious, like, oh my gosh, what pieces are gonna be like good for long-term holds? What pieces like the hype is gonna die with it? And that's what I'm gonna let you guys know in this video. And if you guys have not already, make sure you check out the previous videos. Make sure you smash up that like button. I need 100 likes on this video. I know I ain't posted in a minute. I've been out on a little vacay, been chilling, trying to get my mind right, plus school and all that, but no excuses. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We're up to 10,000 subscribers. Just hurry up and get that. But anyways, we're gonna get started. We're gonna take a look at all this merch. We're gonna talk about the resale predictions. We're gonna figure out if you can really make money off all of these Travis drops that have been happening. But let's get it. Alright guys, ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna get started right in with the merch. Let me go ahead. And okay, you guys should be able to see the screen right now. I just did a little roll through, and I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm not impressed, bro. I am not impressed one bit. Maybe there are some sleepers. Okay, so we have the CPFM, so Cactus Planet Flea Market for Cactus Jack. Oh my goodness. Burger Mouth t-shirt. Okay, so Prof printed graphics. And yeah, it's just essentially, it's just I ordered Travis Scott meal at McDonald's September 8th through October. Whoa. This is how long it's lasting, for about a whole month. Not bad. I mean, it's nah. I'd be lying, especially for $65. I'll be, wait, do you get to choose your color? Oh yeah, you can choose the color. Alright. But for $65, that's a pass. We have the same thing. We have the CPF M4 CJ Girl Slip. Nah, I ain't a big fan of the first two. Okay, so this one's not bad. Okay, so we have the Cactus Jack with a little cartoon image of Travis. Not bad. We have breakfast, lunch, or dinner in 60 seconds. Okay, this shirt, 65. Okay, not bad. The prices are more expensive, bro. Yeah. So like, if you guys were able to get your hands on like the first few pieces, you weren't coming off anything more than like $48, $58, or like with tax, $50, $60. So to say that they upped it for like these pieces that aren't even as good as the previous pieces, that's pretty crazy. So we have the fancy ketchup t-shirt. I'm loving it. And then we have the little smiley with the ketchup Travis Scott meal. Okay. I don't know, this one, I'm feeling this first row. I mean, this piece not bad, but the first row, psh. But on the bright side, we do know this. Okay, so the resale value is gonna possibly go up for the previous pieces, just because of the fact that everyone that's copying these pieces to resell, they're going to have to charge it at a higher price just so they can make their own profits. So therefore, that's good, like on our end. Okay, so we have a little long sleeve t-shirt. This one I'm not messing with it. We have the 4 CJ souvenir long sleeve t-shirt. Yeah, this one is definitely not one I'm rocking with. Let's see this one. This one might be cool. It's just what's up world. Yeah, I'm Travis Scott. This my McDonald's order. Follow me. Here's my quarter pounder. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm not rocking with these. Like, most of these is just like this one would be cool to style, but other than that, reselling, I don't know. Same with this hoodie. They have the hoodie version of it. I don't know. It's a lot of words. It's a bit too many words for me. Way too many. Yeah, I'm not really impressed, bro. We're already like 2.5 rows in, or almost a full 2 rows in. None of this really catch my attention. I'm low-key glad I spent all my money on the last drop. Even though I'm annoyed about the V-Loan piece dropping, I was hoping that it was going to take a little bit longer for them to drop so I could re-up. But you know, it is what it is. We're still going to go ahead and take a look at it and still be in tune. Okay, so we got CJ Ketchup hoodie, just like the last piece. Yeah, like I'm not feeling these, bro. So within these first 2 rows, I would say maybe like this one, I feel like that would be a decent one for reselling just because of the front. The front is better than the rest of these. And then this one, I would just only want it just to style it. Like I would want it for personal use, but that's it. Okay, so we have a cardigan. Okay, so I'm pretty sure a cardigan is like one of those little button up things. It's like a sweater type thing. The only thing that was confusing me with this is that this is really like a mock-up cartoon image. So I was very, very thrown off, and look at the price, $250. You gotta wait 12 to 16 weeks because they gotta order it from their manufacturer and then all that type of stuff. I'm not really rocking with it or vibing with it. Okay, we have the 4CJ 60 seconds tote for 50, bro. Out of his mind, bro. $55 for a tote bag that you possibly won't even be able to resell for that much because it's a tote bag for $55. And I don't consider this like one of those like real collectibles. That's crazy. Okay, so we have another one, but it's in green. It's a different type of colorway. I'm not rocking with it, bro. I'm pretty disappointed, bro. How many rows we? Okay. We got some heat coming. Okay, we got some heat coming. Okay, now we have the rug. I'm messing with the rugs, bro. So this one says it's gonna be a 4 feet area rug. It's cool, you know what I'm saying? Especially with everything, if y'all in tune with social media, like custom rugs have been like, you know, it's been getting some attention. I mess with it. It's live, and also it does take a lot of time. So like, whenever it comes to the rugs, these are pieces that you can have for a very, very long time. I don't really know what the resale values for it will be. I wouldn't even recommend taking your chances to get it to resell just because like you're gonna be waiting so much more time. Okay, now this row, this row right here is heat. Now this is more of like, you know what I'm saying? They still have more pieces like this. Okay, so we have the Royals t-shirt. Okay, let's see. Let me just tap. Okay, children must be supervised by a parent or adult at all times. Okay, socks required. Please, no shoes. I'm kind of messing with that one. What's this? Let's see what this one is. Please. Oh, come on, bro. I can't zoom in as much as I want. It says, please do not. No toes on me. Okay, I'm messing with this piece. Let's see the other side. Cactus Jack. I'm messing with this one. And see, these are prices we like, bro. $48 for a piece that's like way better than the ones on the top. Listen, this is the raw. This is what, bro. I don't understand. Like, why are the pieces that I feel like are heat? They're more affordable. They're cheaper than like pieces like right here on the top. I don't understand that. But yeah, this piece right here got to be one of the toughest pieces, probably in the whole collection. You know what I'm saying? Let alone, especially this drop right over here. So we have the Grail t-shirt. Look at this, bro. You can even tell like this brown washed color. And I can say something that when Travis, like when you see a washed colored tee like this, it's gonna be like that in person, like without a doubt. So I'm messing with this one, bro. This is hard, bro. McRib. This one is tough though. You know what I'm saying? Even though like it's like it semi screams McDonald's, but it screams it in like a live way. That's what I'm rocking with. I would definitely consider like these 2 pieces, especially this one, reselling. Okay, then we got the fly through t-shirt. This is a nice one, live from Utopia. Got nothing on the back, but you know how we go. Still a definite hard piece. Okay, now we're gonna see this one. So we have an Hawaiian t-shirt, and we have the neon sign Hawaiian t-shirt. As you can see, it's gonna take a minute to come in. I'm iffy about this one. Like, ideally, like, I know I wouldn't rock this, and I don't know how the resale value will go for this, because if you guys know, like, with V-Lone, when V-Lone has a piece like this, one of those little button-up ones, I know they have one in Juice's collection that sold out so quick. Those ones go for a lot. With Travis, I don't really know how much it's gonna go for. I don't know. I mean, I don't think we'll go for a lot. This one is nice too, with Invitational. Actually, I'm gonna take that back. McDonald's, Cactus Jack, Texas, live from Houston, September 8th. CJ Junior, Op Zero, Cactus Jack Classic. But I don't know. It's not a bad piece, but at the same time, I'm not crazy about it. Now these shorts, both of the shorts I like a lot, but these green ones in specifically are like crazy fire. Like, really wanted them. Looks like they're amazing quality. Got this nice green, little slime color. I don't know if they have any pockets though, but this is definitely a very tough piece. Especially if you get these, I feel like these will probably resell for a lot too, even though they're shorts, but they're very tough. I can see a lot of people wanting them to. Ideally, I'd say the green one goes harder than the black, even though of course you can wear the black with more. It's like it has to make rib on it, so I don't know how many people would be like going crazy over this one. Let me go back. Here we go. I remember when you guys were telling me like they were literally selling a McDonald's like plastic cup or acrylic cup for $20, bro. And this is Cactus Jack, bro. If it was like one of those like the water bottles with like that's different. Like I forgot. Like if it was like a flask or something like that, I feel like that would be way better. Please don't. I mean, if it's personal. And then we got some more totes. We got the menu tote. I mean, this one's better than the other ones. And then let's look at this last freaking piece, bro. We have the slides tote. Okay. And now I feel like the biggest and like the most informational part of the video, and that is, can you really make money from this drop in particular, and will there be another one? Okay, so first, I do feel like there's going to be another one. I feel like it's going to be a last call, like if you missed it, go ahead and shop. However, I feel like that one will be very limited, probably like a day or so. But in addition to that, I'm hoping that they don't put every item, but then at the same time, I don't think that they're going to put up at each and every single item. Like all of these like 100+ items that are here or whatever. Franchise digital single. Like I don't think, oh, what is this? This is coming soon. Oh. There's a little teaser at the bottom, but yeah, I don't think that he's going to re-drop each and every single one of these pieces. If he does, that would actually be like I feel like it would take away from the resale opportunity like bad, but I feel like it would probably be like maybe some of the top sellers or something like that. Okay, and for the pieces that I feel like, I'm gonna give you guys the top 3 pieces that I feel like you will be able to resell and make yourself a good amount of profit. One is this one, the Grill t-shirt for sure. The Fly Through t-shirt is number 2, and then for number 3, the Shamrock Shake shorts. I don't know what I'm doing, I can't count. And then low-key a sleeper would be the 60 seconds t-shirt, and maybe the Rules t-shirt, especially for like the price. It's just the thing is, I do know like if you don't know what to buy and you really want to start getting into reselling, you're like, what pieces with the Travis Scott, at least with this drop will go for some money. I really feel like 1, 2, 3. They're like interchangeable. Like you could low-key style these 2 right here. Like this will be a pretty tough fit in my opinion. It's like that brown with the green, or even right here and here. But yeah, these are the 3 pieces. Alright guys, so to wrap this one up, man, you know, I mean, it was an iffy drop. It was like second to last row. That one really had the heat. There's some pieces I would definitely go ahead and cop right there. But you know, the money's burnt out, man. There's been so many pieces, so much merch coming. So I got 2 questions for you guys. One, close this one out. 1, let me know if you copped it. And 2, If you've been copying pieces, how much money have you spent? That is it. Like, what did you copy and how much money did you spend? But anyways, guys, how many of you guys can smash up that like button? We need 100 likes on this video. Y'all literally been killing the last videos. 1K plus, man. Let's run it up. You know the easy way. We running it up over here. And if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you go down below and smash that subscribe button. But without further ado, man, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.